This is what you're going to do if you want to add a newsletter subscription in Hostinger Website Builder. So first thing is you're going to open the website builder editor, which is builder.hostinger.com. And then from this page, you're going to head over to the left side panel right here. And then you're going to click on Add Elements. From the Add Elements menu, you're going to select the newsletter form, or if it doesn't appear, you're just going to click on this contact form right here. And then we're going to drag it over to our page. So for example, we want to add it over here. I'm just going to drag it over to that section of the page, or if it doesn't fit, I'm just going to put it right here. And then after that, you're going to click on Edit to Form right here, and then we're just going to edit the form settings to connect it to your external email marketing service such as MailChimp. But Hostinger, as you know, already has a email platform as well, so you can just connect it to that. So as you can see, this email will be notified for submissions, and that's it. That is how you can add a newsletter subscription in Hostinger Website Builder. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.